Enhancing self-image and self-esteem. Concept of self as human. Self-concept refers to how individuals perceive themselves, including their beliefs, values, and attitudes about who they are. For special children in an inclusive classroom, building a positive self-concept is essential to help them feel valued and capable. Understanding self-concept. Self-concept is shaped by personal experiences, social interactions, and cultural influences. For special children, it is often influenced by their experiences with peers, teachers, and their own abilities. A positive self-concept leads to higher self-esteem, motivation, and resilience, while a negative self-concept can cause self-doubt and anxiety. Importance in an inclusive classroom. Special children often face challenges such as social stigmatization, academic difficulties, or feelings of being different. In an inclusive classroom, teachers must create a supportive environment that nurtures their self-concept and helps them see their strengths. Let us understand it with some examples. Example 1. A child with dyslexia might feel frustrated when reading aloud in class. In an inclusive setting, the teacher can provide alternative ways for the child to participate, such as using audiobooks or allowing them to share their ideas verbally. The teacher can also highlight their strengths in other areas, like creativity or problem solving. Example 2. A student with a physical disability might feel left out during physical activities. The teacher can modify activities to ensure participation, such as assigning them a leadership role, example coach or referee, or using adaptive equipment. Celebrating their contributions fosters a sense of belonging and self-worth. For a short break, please like and subscribe my channel. Understanding feelings and changes. Special children experience a wide range of emotions as they navigate their unique challenges. Helping them understand and manage these emotions is key to building their self-esteem in an inclusive classroom. Understanding emotions. Emotions impact cognitive functioning and social behavior. Teaching emotional intelligence helps special children handle stress, build relationships, and develop empathy. Role of emotional awareness. 1. Self-recognition, helping special children identify their emotions through self-reflection and awareness activities. 2. Social awareness, teaching them how emotions affect interactions with others. 3. Emotional regulation, helping them learn strategies to manage emotions constructively. Let us understand it with some examples. Example 1. A child with autism may struggle with emotional regulation. The teacher can use a visual emotion chart and create a calm corner with sensory tools like stress balls or noise-cancelling headphones. This space is available to all students, promoting inclusivity and teaching self-regulation skills. Example 2. A student with anxiety might feel overwhelmed during group work. The teacher can introduce a feelings thermometer where students rate their comfort levels. Based on this, the teacher can pair the student with a supportive peer or allow them to work independently until they feel ready to join the group. Growth to autonomy. Autonomy refers to the ability to make independent decisions and take responsibility for one's actions. Encouraging autonomy in special children fosters self-reliance and confidence. Encouraging independence. Set small, achievable goals to build confidence. Allow special children to make choices in their learning process. Teach problem-solving skills through real-life scenarios. Benefits of autonomy. Develops critical thinking skills. Enhances decision-making abilities. Builds a sense of responsibility and accountability. Let us understand it with some examples. Example 1. A student with ADHD may struggle with organizing tasks. The teacher can introduce a visual schedule and self-monitoring checklists. For instance, the student can check off tasks like complete math worksheet or pack my backpack to feel a sense of accomplishment. Example 2. In a group project, special children can choose their roles based on their strengths. For example, a student with a speech impairment might prefer to work on the visual presentation rather than the oral presentation. This choice empowers them to contribute meaningfully. Personality development. Personality development involves cultivating traits such as resilience, adaptability, and self-confidence. In an inclusive classroom, teachers play a critical role in shaping the personalities of special children through positive reinforcement and constructive feedback. Key aspects of personality development. Building self-confidence. Encourage special children to participate in activities that showcase their strengths. Enhancing communication skills. Teach verbal and nonverbal communication techniques. Developing emotional intelligence. Help them understand and regulate their emotions. Encouraging social interaction. Create opportunities for peer engagement to improve social skills. Let us understand it with some examples. Example 1. A shy student with low confidence might benefit from structured group activities like role-playing games or storytelling sessions. Pairing them with a buddy who is more outgoing can help them navigate social situations. Example 2. A student with a hearing impairment can be encouraged to lead a class discussion using assistive technology like a microphone or sign language interpreter. This builds their confidence and helps peers appreciate their unique abilities. Role of teacher in developing self-esteem in special children. Teachers significantly impact the self-esteem of special children by creating an inclusive, supportive, and encouraging learning environment. Strategies
Positive
for teachers. Reinforcement. Praise efforts, not just results. Example. A teacher congratulating a student for trying a difficult math problem, even if they made mistakes. Encouraging self-expression. Allow special children to share their thoughts through art, storytelling, or music. Providing accommodations. Adjust teaching methods to meet their needs, such as using audiobooks for students with dyslexia. Building a growth mindset. Teach special children that intelligence and abilities can develop through effort. Example. Using stories of famous personalities who overcame difficulties, like Stephen Hawking. Creating a supportive classroom. Encourage peer support and collaboration. Address bullying and promote inclusion. Provide individualized instruction to meet diverse learning needs. Let us understand it with some examples. Example 1. A student with low self-esteem due to frequent academic failures can benefit from a star student board where small achievements are celebrated. Assigning them as a class helper, example, distributing materials, also boosts their sense of importance. Example 2. During a science experiment, a student with a visual impairment can use tactile models or braille instructions to participate fully. The teacher highlights their contributions, showing the class that everyone's strengths are valued. Conclusion. Enhancing self-image and self-esteem is crucial for special children in an inclusive classroom. By fostering self-awareness, emotional intelligence, autonomy, and confidence, educators can help them thrive academically and personally. Teachers serve as role models, guiding special children to believe in their potential and embrace their uniqueness. Extended concepts. 1. Role of parents in self-esteem development. Encourage special children to take risks and learn from mistakes. Provide a safe and supportive home environment. Example. Parents can create a success jar where children write down their achievements, no matter how small, and read them together weekly. 2. Impact of social media on self-image. Educate special children about media literacy. Encourage positive social interactions online. can help students develop a critical perspective on unrealistic beauty standards. 3. Building resilience. Teach special children how to handle failure positively. Encourage persistence and perseverance in learning. Example, after a failed science experiment, the teacher can guide students to analyze what went wrong and try again, emphasizing that mistakes are part of the learning process. Final thought, the self-esteem of special children is a crucial determinant of their success and happiness. Educators, parents, and caregivers must work together to create a nurturing environment that fosters self-worth and confidence in an inclusive classroom.